Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off automatic photo backup on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off automatic photo backup on Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And when you land on this interface after opening your Terabox app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon available for us at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see on this panel there is the first option that says automatic backup. Just above the space analyzer over here, tap on the automatic backup option over here, and you can see the first option over here, guys, which says automatic photo backup over here. If this is turned on your case like this, guys, then in order to turn off your automatic photo backup on Terabox, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the automatic photo backup, and this box will appear. You can see after disabling auto backup, new photos or videos will not be automatically saved to the cloud. Tap on the close button, and that being done, guys, when the toggle icon at the right side of the automatic photo backup is turned to gray, then it is turned off. By doing that, we will have turned off automatic photo backup on Terabox. And then, guys, this is how to turn off automatic photo backup on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.